Oh, so you have to record this?
Yes.
Okay. Because my last regret.
Even though she said that like 30 times.
Well, you gotta have hope.
We're gonna get the whole pack then.
Give it to me.
I'm gonna save it.
Why? That's your last
Because I
cigarette.
might relapse.
See, you can't plan for a relapse.
No,
I've told you this once already.
No, you didn't.
You Christian, Twyla?
Yes.
Lutheran, Baptist?
Yes, I believe in God.
So what are you?
AJ. AJ.
What?
I want you
I don't know.
to climb that wall.
I'm not doing it.
Climb the wall.
I said you.
You should climb the wall. That'd be more funnier.
Yeah, AJ. It's not that big.
Derek would climb the wall, but you wouldn't. So it'd be funny because you would. Stop.
Cripples.
You're horrible.
Take it.
Huh?
I'll go park in a handicapped spot.
Yeah, let's go take it.
You guys are horrible. Only with this person.
No, we're not.
And he's black.
Who's black? Oh.
You.
I feel like yellow lighter, please. Don't say no.
Catch AJ.
We're just like videotaping AJ.
I'm watching you, AJ.
I made it.
You already have.
What are you doing up there?
I'm just saying everyone I see always tries to do fun.
Yeah, you should hang on to the back while I do Brody. That shit's fun as hell.
Oh yeah,
Derek.
Yeah, there's a little bit, but that's nothing.
That proves that you hit it.
Yeah, that's what.
You see it?
That's all that happened.
And then there's something else right there from somebody else.
Yeah, that was a bad one.
That's just still
Collecting paint. True value.
No, I think
Wait,
that should come
that's
up.
what hit it.
Oh, look, my little bumper saved my ass.
Yeah, it did. Oh.
Haha, now you can't block me. Oh, now you're screwed.
Wait, no, I'm not. I have an idea.
No.
Damn, no
Oh, that hurt like a son of a bitch.
What did you do?
What did you do?
Oh. Probably turn off my car. Twyla playing with the tire. Oh, let's roll it down the hill. Let's roll it down this hill. That'd be fun. No, let's roll it down the hill.
That one?
No, that one. You're gonna get dirty.
Oh, yeah, I am actually. I do care.
Roll it.
Must be your tire, right?
Looks kind of like it.
Oh, yeah, there's like a big
Bird mark,
dent in it.
Dent.
See, look at this. This is like female labor.
Hey, I'd help, but I'm holding the camera.
Oh, yeah, and you have another hand, too.
It has a cigarette in it.
Set it down.
Where am I gonna put my cigarette? Here you go.
No, don't touch it. Get off. I got it this far. I don't need any help.
No, lift it up. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna get dirty.
No, I got it. Stop
You're
it.
gonna get dirty.
This is Twyla's job.
Well, it's gotta go over here. Oh, you got really dirty.
What was you thinking about?
I told you.
I think I'm gonna get that dirty. I roll it.
No, I roll it.
You guys can't It's all me.
I'll try to roll the tires down those hills with some water.
But. Woo! I didn't even see it. Oh, look, there it is. Now it's floating. Go get it.
No. You go get it.
The car, run! Oh my god! God damn it, run!
You're like, where the fuck did the car go?
No? Yeah. Bug's eating me. Hurry. Oh my god. Oh god damn it. Oh.
Alright, I got this. Are we in reverse? Oh my. So right over a nail. I'm doing.
There's a bomb in the car!